maple bourbon hot chocolate. Can I get a yes or a fucking yes? Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Twink Drinks, where a twink makes a drink. Okay, it is cold as fuck outside. I gotta tell you. Literally, here in LA, the winters are treacherous. I mean, honestly, yesterday I literally went outside and it was 64 degrees. So I don't know what to do here because I would wear a scarf, but I want to show my cleavage. So let's get this started. Okay, first thing you're gonna need is obviously some chocolate. I'm using Hershey's. I kind of ate this one a little bit already because I couldn't help it, but it'll still be fine. I use about 2 ounces, I think. And this should make about like 1 to 2 cups, you know, or however much you fucking want. Bourbon, some whipped cream, some milk, a little bit of Cointreau, and of course, your maple syrup, honey, your maple syrup. Use a Ziploc, and I highly recommend this. Breaking it up, and then just put it in here. Take her to Pound Town. I'm telling you, there is nothing better than a good chocolate pounding. You can use chocolate chips too, but I thought, why? I am using whole milks from Ralph's because it was the cheapest. I use about 1.5 cups of milk, but what you can also do is you can fill this up and then almost to the top, because part of it's gonna be the chocolate and the booze, right? But fill it up and then just pour that in so that you know that's how much shit you're gonna have, right? To a nice little simmer, and just let it fizzle, 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 bubbly, okay? It's clean as you go, ho. I once had to work at some motherfucking chocolate shop because times are fucking hard. So when I did that, I had to clean as I go. So now I'm kind of like paranoid about it, and I do that just to save some time. In the meantime, I'm gonna get myself a nice little jigger. There was still water in here. I hope this didn't get moldy. That's awkward. Now, you can use almond milk, you can use oat milk, you can use whatever fucking milk you want to use, okay? You do you. Oh, she's bubbling. Add your chocolate. You're gonna take this and you're gonna just pour the milk right on over. Take a plate and cover it and just let it sit for like 3 minutes, okay? Wait like 3 minutes. I promise it'll work. It's basically like we're making chocolate ganache. And we're back. Did you miss me? Okay, so we're gonna do this real quick. So you're gonna take this and you're just gonna stir it. Now, it's gonna look really fucking ugly at first. Don't be scared, okay? She's gonna come together. It just takes her a little bit of time. You're basically just gonna do this until it becomes one homogenized mixture. Oh my God, it's literally smelling like fucking winter time right now. I am loving it. My God, am I having a nip slip? How embarrassing. Oh, and I got chocolate on my chest. That means it's gonna be real good. I can tell you that, bitch. We're gonna add some maple syrup. I'm gonna do about 1/2 ounce of maple syrup, 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm using the shitty bourbon. I recommend you use the good bourbon, but you know what? Times are tough. As long as you use good chocolate, that's what counts here. Okay, got that. And then finally, a little bit of Cointreau. I told you, this is gonna be some boozy shit. It's gonna be great. I do about 1/2 ounce, okay? And I'll add just a tiny bit more maple. Okay, that's it. And make sure you use the pure maple syrup. Don't use that cheap stuff. This is not the time to do that. Save that for the fucking pancakes. Take your cup and a nice little, this shows the A, right? Perfect. And then nice little pour. Right to the motherfucking top. We love a good top. Take a little bit of whipped cream. I got the extra creamy variation because, come on, who doesn't want it nice and creamy? Oh yeah, oh wait. Chocolate shavings. So I'm just doing this right here. You know, just taking a little vegetable peeler and just doing some. There's no right way to do this, is what people will usually say. There is. The right way is to make it look nice. And voila, you got hot chocolate. Cheers. Oh! This tastes like alcohol and hot chocolate. This is so fucking good. I highly recommend it. If you are really cold, you had a rough day, this is the way to go. Next level, bitch.